Hey, how are you doing today? It's Josh from the Natural Workshop here. Today I'm going to give you a little tip on how to stop your snipe with your Lunchbox planer. Shall we see how to do it? Let's go. Okay then, so this is the Triton TPT125 Lunchbox planer. Pretty much the same design as any of the other Lunchbox planers, slightly different. We spent a long time looking for one because initially we didn't have the money to really be spending on a planer, and yeah, this was the one that won the top of the list really. A lot of people had said that it doesn't have any snipe. It does have a little bit, but not as much as some of the others. Some of the others were like ridiculous. It's only on the first couple inches. Now, I know a lot of people say, well, make the board longer and then trim it down. That's fine, but we use it for removing paint off of the tops of board when we've seen them or those sorts of things, and I don't want to be screwing about with that. I just want it to go in and work. So this is the best option that we've found. Now, this isn't my idea. I've nabbed this off of a guy called Matthias Wandel from Woodgears. Highly recommend you go and check him out if you haven't seen him already. Some of the stuff that he does is unbelievable. I especially love the bandsaw. So and the Panther router as well. That was really, really cool. Really clever guy, so go check him out. I'll stick a link in the description. Anyway, so he initially came up with the idea for this. What he was originally doing was pushing down, well, what he first tried was pushing down on this. So as the board comes through, this section here, this lump here will pop as the board hits the first in-feed roller, and then it comes out and hits the bottom or the back in-feed roller. And the problem being is just in here, there is just enough slack for this to pop, right? And that's what's causing the snipe, and that's what we want to eliminate. So the best, well, initially what he did was tried pushing it down, didn't work, worked, but not the best. Then what he did was he put pieces of timber in here and tightened it down so it clamped down, this clamped against the bed, and that stopped the problem. Well, I don't just want one piece of timber, so what we did was, using the laser machine and our CAD software, I made these. So like I said, we do a lot of panels and we do a lot of signs, so we might do 20 signs and they're all going to be, we all want them to be the same sort of thickness. So we've got 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and we go all the way up to like 25 mil. And these cut from 12 mil poplar plywood. I really would recommend doing these out of hardwood if you're going to do them. Anyway, these are really, really simple. You need 2 of them. So what you do is you take, I've got 2 16s, so the 2 16s is going to go in, it's going to sit there, and it's going to sit there like that. You could just use a single strip of timber. This is the section that goes underneath, and then these are the bits that hang around on the outside. So in all fairness, you don't need to laser cut all this. You could just, if you had some hardwood, you could cut a hardwood strip to 18 mil and then put that underneath each end, clamp it down. That's going to be your 18 mil, perfect. Then what you do is, I'll put you guys down and see if we can show you. It's real simple. I've done really well there, blocking the light out. So that's it. So it just clamps down like that, and then now the motor moves, but this bottom section doesn't move. So this nicely clamped down, and what that means is as the timber goes through, the whole unit won't pop, so you eliminate your snipe. Really good option, and I really, really, really like it. So then, what do you think to that? Honestly, try it, it will work. I was a little bit skeptical, but Matthias tried it and he said it works, so give it a go. And by all means, let us know in the comments below. Don't do anything stupid, don't hurt yourself, and if you do, it's not my fault. Alright? And obviously, I have no doubt Triton would say that this would void their warranty and be dangerous and all that sort of stuff. So this is just how I do it. Don't do it. But don't. Alright? Cool. Let us know in the comments below. Let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, all that sort of rubbish. And yeah, oh, and if you try it and it works, let us know. And if it doesn't, let me know again. I'll try and help. Cool? You have a good one. I shall see you later.